Hello guys, welcome to day 61 from 400 Days of Learning Programming Challenge. So yesterday I was trying to create a page, a contact page, which was I stuck in a place that I was trying to put a div tag in center, and I had another problem the day before that, and that was about putting a menu in the center of a image tag. So let me show you my screen first. Okay. As you can see, this is my contact page, which it should looks like this one that we designed yesterday. So it have a picture here, a form here, and a send button, and yesterday I tried to create this div tag and put it in the center, but I was not able to do that due to some problem. And some of you guys gave me solutions, so I'm going to check your solution and see if I can fix the problem. So where's the comment? The comment was here. To Studio, comments, and vertical alignment had to do with absolute position. Still guide to learn. Flexbox was far harder to do due to having used the flux table version of block items, and vertical alignment had to be done absolute position. So this is pointing to another problem, I think. There was something about flexbox. Here, my friend Roshan, brother Roshan, amazing work. We must be not using Bootstrap because we can't customize it. If you want to center any div, then apply this CSS on it. Div, display flex, justify content center, align items center. So let's copy this code, and we want to put our main div into the center. So we are going to paste the codes here. Let's how we can organize this indentation. I forgot. Was it Shift F? Shift F? No. Control F. No. Let's Google it. How to indentation in Visual Studio. VS Code. Click text or click ident drop down, select an option. Short key. I can't see any answer. What is the short key for indentation in VS Code. Tab Shift. Ctrl-Shift-I formatting any file based on language rule. Tab Shift and cursor is on the beginning of line, out then current line. So tab when cursor is on the beginning of the line. Tab, right? Tab and tab. Okay. Control S. But there was another short key for this, which I forgot it. But the tab key right now will do the work. So Control S to save. Came back here. It didn't work. So we were trying to, maybe I have done something here. Margin top. Maybe I should remove these two guys, these two codes here. Order to fix the problem. Control S. It didn't work. Where's the problem? We use display flex. We justified counter to the center, align items to the center. Where is the problem? There was another guy also who gave me a solution. I forgot it. You will learn maybe later how to center using flexbox. This always center perfectly with these rules, right? Display flex, justify content center, align items center. So this guy also told me the same things here, right? Align items center. So the code should not have problem itself. You guys give me a true guide, but there should be some other problem here, because why it doesn't move at the center? I don't get it. Did I have position anything here? Class main. Give it a height, a width, a background color, a display flex. Maybe we have to put this up, I don't know, up of the other codes. Maybe it's fixed the problem. Nope, it didn't. Display flex. Justify content to the center. Okay, we're stuck here. Before I continue, there was another problem with a portfolio page, so I wanted to give to put this menu here, but I couldn't. So one of my friends gave me a solution. Which was yes, he told me that I can use background image property in the CSS. And let me read the comment. The easiest way of placing the image in the background and the menu over that image is not to use image for image, but rather background image property in CSS. I'm sending you a code open link to what I had in mind. Good luck with at exams. And background image. So this is the code open he gave me. In this place, there is an example of how to use background image. So this is background image here, and this is the URL of image. And what is the difference between image and background image? So maybe the difference is that image is I put an image in the div tag. So let's check what is the difference between and background image. In CSS, for images that are part of the content, while CSS background images are purely decorative. So if I replace my image tag with background image, so there's a problem here actually. If I use background image in the CSS style tag, so how can I resize it? How can I resize it? Because I don't want sorry, I figured out what is the problem here. So this background image is not for this orange rectangle. The background image is for, let me show you the design first. Background image is for this white rectangle. I get it. So the solution to put this menu in the center up here is to use position, and I have a comments about position. Where's the comment? here. There is a friend here that explained for me about how the position elements works, and he gave me the explanation in a very easy way that I can understand it, but it had some little issues which another friend here correct him or her with explanation. So there's not a lot of correction here. Let me check the first comment here, the element absolute, the element absolute. What is the element absolute? For the most of position tags, you have to specify what in the position you are changing. For example, position absolute moves the element away from the absolute top left corner of your web page by the amount you specified. But here, another friends correct him, which say you got the concept mostly right. An element with position absolute is positioned relative to its nearest positioned ancestor, not always the top left corner of the web page. If there is no such ancestor, it falls back to position relative to the body content. And this guy said that relative, this code moves the element away from the absolute top left corner of the web page at pixel 100 pixels to the right and down. Think of it like whatever direction you put, the element is being an opposite. The relative modifier works very similar to absolute modifier, except relative is only moving the element based on its original position and not on the top left corner of the web page. So this code would also move the element to the right and down, but only from the element originally was, the original position. Which should I use now? Relative. This one I learned as position sticky. So now, should I use relative or absolute? So I think I need to position it to absolute and then change the direction of it. Let's just test this idea. So what we are going to do here, we are going to set the position of menu here. So let's just check it first. Come on. So we have this, we have to put it here. The menu tag, the menu div should give it position absolute. Menu. Absolute. Left 100, top 100. So now that is position absolute, we say left. For example, for now 100 pixel and top 100 pixels. Let's just check and see what happened. All right. Good. So let's use inspector to see what's going on here. So it have margin here, right? What is this orange rectangle around menu? Is it margin? Margin 50 pixel. What happens if I say margin 0? It's okay right now. So should I remove margin and say from top 0, maybe 25 pixel, 25 pixel do the work? So can I say left center? Center? I don't think so. So left, can I use percent? Like 50%? Where is the percent? I can say percent, but it's going in the wrong situation. So let's say 50 pixel. Nope. 100 pixel. Nope. 200. No. 300 pixel. Maybe it looks in the center, right? 300 pixel from left and 20. Let's just copy these elements here. Okay, copy and paste. Control S, Control R, closing this. Oh, I think it should be right here. So let's say, let's double check the 50%. 50%, Control S. Why, when I say 50%, it's go here, while it should be right in the center, because if the width is 100 pixel, 100%, the whole, so this should be, the 50% should be here, right? What if I say 50% of viewport in CSS? But how we can write with the viewport? Was it VP? VP. VH. So if I say VH, I think it will give the height, not the width. Let's stick with our pixel. So 250 pixels, Control S. So it's okay. 500 pixel. It's okay. Now let's use our friend advice, which was using background image. How much time we have? Okay, we already spent 27 minutes here, and let's use background image, background white. Background image white, Control S, Control R, nothing changed. Background, if I say background image, I have to give it a URL, right? A URL. So maybe I should use background color. So Control S, white. It's good. It's good. Background color white. This is what I wanted approximately. Now we are much more close to our design. Here, of course, it's not cover the whole orange rectangle, but it is what we want, because our menu is small, right? Okay, we solved a problem today that I spent a couple of days to solve it. With the help of you guys, I solved the problem. So what we have done was using position absolute, and we gave this a left and top size. So we fixed this problem. All right, that's enough for today. And after I finish this video, I'm going to learn, I'm going to watch a video about Bootstrap. I'm still working on Bootstrap, so this is not going to be finished. And after I watch 20 or 30 minutes of Bootstrap video, I'm going to take some notes. Thank you guys. See you tomorrow.